Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an arrow in Word using keyboard. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert an arrow in this document with using keyboard. Firstly we click Alt on our keyboard. Then press N. Then press SH. Then press down arrow on our keyboard to select arrow shape. You can select any arrow like up, down, curve or more than arrow. Now I select the left arrow and press enter. Now we can see here we insert an arrow in Word using keyboard very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.